Sandy here. Welcome to my channel. I'm here with a review of the products that I have made and shared tutorials of here on my channel over the past 4, 5, 6 weeks, I guess. Pretty much my January and part of February projects. I had for the last 2 months done a video sharing my plans of what I was going to be creating for you, and I got behind getting some of this done and getting my design team package ordered, but I've gotten my new stuff in and I'm ready to share with you. And so I'm going to combine this. I'm going to make and maybe do this going forward each month, a video that shares a review of what I've made and what I have tutorials of on my channel, and then show you what new products I've got and what I'm going to be working with and what I hope to do with those in the upcoming 6 weeks. Okay, so here on my table you can see the different things that I have made in the past few weeks. A little bit crowded here, and I was kind of surprised when I started making my list and looking at my videos that I had this much done. And so I'm like really excited, and I hope that you have been able to check out some, if not all, of my videos to see what you might like to make and give you some inspiration and ideas. So let me go over these really quick. First one here was the Echo Park Hello Valentine paper collection that I had in my design team package for January, I believe. And I made this Valentine card file box, which I really, really love. Let me move this one out of the way so I can kind of show you a little bit. So there's a tutorial on how to make this. It just opens up, and then you've got all these pockets inside. Well, also with this paper collection, my projects were a fancy shaker card for Valentine. And yes, I still have it. I haven't given it away to anyone. It could be for next year, who knows. But this I made with the Heartfelt Eyelet Hearts die that I got in my design team package. And then I made a bunch of cards, and I'm not going to show you each one. So I did make cards out of the paper collection as well to go inside this card file box. So this is a lot of fun. If you haven't checked it out, do so. It's on my channel. You can use it for any theme, for a baby shower or a bridal shower, whatever you need, or birthday cards. It'd be cute to hold birthday cards that you might want to sending out for the year. So that's that one that I got done. So the next project that I made that I did a tutorial on was this photo journal book. Love is in the Air was the collection that I used. Sadly, I only got to make this one project. I had plans, unofficial, I didn't share it with you, to make a canvas collage decorating piece, and I didn't get around to that. But I did make this little photo journal book out of the pattern paper. So check that out. There's a showcase and a tutorial for this one also on my channel. And then next, the reason why I didn't get to make a lot of stuff with that particular paper collection is that unofficially, suddenly, I decided, and I received from Country Craft Creations, the 12 by 12 Heartfelt Insta album to make a wedding album. And this is a really big project. It took me longer than I anticipated. Just picking out and adding the pattern papers to make sure it was just perfect. So that's why it took me longer. I've used Heartfelt Creations frame dies that you can find in the shop. I used beautiful flowers from my collection. I made a unique magnetic decorative element here on the front where you can take those off. So there is a complete tutorial for this on my channel. Now the album is pre-made. It is an Insta album by Heartfelt Creations. It comes in 12 by 12 and 8 by 8. So this is something, if you're needing an album really quick, that you can do it pretty quick if you don't take too long on picking out your pattern papers like I did. But this, I love how this turned out, and so I'm happy that I have it on my channel to share with you. So that is what took up some time that I lost time to do Valentine's with the Love is in the Air. So let me set this one aside. Okay, after the wedding album, I did some junk journals, some accordion junk journals, and this one's upside down. Okay, this one I did out of love letters, and I love how it turned out. It's not real thick because I haven't added a lot of stuff into it yet, That was my prototype, and then I did this one as the design team project using Simple Stories Vintage Weathered Garden, and I love how this one turned out. It's really a lot of fun. If you've never done junk journaling, you certainly might want to check this out because it is something easy to do, I think, and I think you'll be really happy with how it turns out. So there is a tutorial for how to make this accordion junk journal on my channel as well. So check those out. And then I did the junk journal. Here it is. This was a whole series. So this took up a lot of time too, which kept me from doing more Valentine's stuff. But I did this along with the wedding album. And so this is a series. It's a 6-part video tutorial series on journey into junk journaling. I show you how to make, how I tie-dye, not tie-dye, how I tea-dye my papers for my pages and make the cover and then put them into the cover with a no-sew binding using ribbon and then making fun elements to go inside. And so I just finished up on this. So the complete 6-part tutorial is available on my channel along with the showcase walkthrough video. So check that out. And then after I got done with that, I jumped in to catch up on some older stuff that I have not had time to do. And so I created these 2 of the prototypes, blessing boxes. This is the one I show you in a tutorial. These are quick and fun and easy to make. I've just uploaded this. This is using Country Craft Creations exclusive paper line called Autumn Orchard. So it's a beautiful fall collection with real bright, vibrant colors. You want to check that out. There's a quick, easy tutorial on how to make these. So that's something you might want to make for Thanksgiving. You might want to make one for everyone at your table, or you just might want to make a couple to have on hand to hand out blessing cards. So that's what I've just done with that. And what I say is coming soon or in the works is a project. It just needs to be uploaded. The video is actually done. I did a sneak peek on it, and this is with the Majestic Dreams, another Country Craft Creations project, paper collection, the beautiful horse racing collection, and I focus mostly just on horses. I'm not going to open this up and show you right now. The video will be up soon within the next day or two, showing you this wallet fold album using Majestic Dreams. So that's what I have done for the past several weeks, January up until now in February. So let's say probably 6 weeks. So now I've got my new design team package from Country Craft Creations. I want to share it and show you what I'll be working with and hope to do within the next 6 weeks. Okay, so I got my design team package order in, and UPS just brought it in today, and I've just opened it. So I'm going to go with it through it real quick with you. I ordered the 8x8, Here Comes the Bride. Yes, I've just finished working with a 12x12. I love it. This is a wonderful collection. I also had received last month, along with the 12x12 Heartfelt Creations Insta album, the 8x8. So I am going to be making an album with the 8x8 using the 8x8 Here Comes the Bride. You're not going to have to do any cutting on this paper, so I'm thinking, hoping that there'll be enough to complete this, but I'll combine it with some of the solid cardstock from Country Craft Creations, and we should do just fine with this. I'm thinking something along like a Mother of the Bride album, or just a small wedding album, so whichever you need it for that. I'm also going to be making really soon, then hopefully the next few days or week or so, a guest book, but I will be using the 12x12, the leftovers that I had from the 12x12 Here Comes the Bride. So I'm going to be making that from scratch. So we're going to be making a guest book. So stay tuned for that. So that's going to be a lot of fun coming up. So that's what I'm going to be, one of the projects real soon is the 8x8 wedding stuff. Then I also got from Tamara, from Country Craft Creations, the new just released exclusive paper collections. So I got the music box. This is gorgeous. I am not going to go through each individual paper right now. I will show you that probably when I do a project or just before I do a project with each one, because it would be a really long video. So I'm going to break that up. You can see here the images that are just gorgeous. Other designers and Tamara have shown these papers. This comes with one pack of the pre-cut tags and elements, and then you get a whole sheet of the same things that you can cut out on your own fussy cut if you love fussy cutting. But just take a look at these colors in here. This is beautiful. What I have planned for this is a book box, a graphic 45 style. Graphic 45 did have in their collection that they sold a blank book box, and that it's been discontinued, but I love that box, and I think that we can make one on our own, and we're going to do it in the music box paper. I think that would be perfect. Maybe I'll make something that'll go inside of it, like a tag album or an accordion album or something. We'll see. Depends on how much time I have, but that's what's in the works for the music box. Some of the elements that I got in my design team package that I think are going to work great with this, that I may combine, are these beautiful Prima flowers. These are the larger ones from Sweet Farm. It's number 658335 if you want to look on Country Craft Creations. I'll link all these products down below in the description so you can check that out. But I think these colors are really pretty for this, and so that's what I selected to go with this. And then I don't know if I'll use this with this paper collection or one of the others. But anyway, I got these Prima rusty clips. I just think they're great. One says memories, findings, and then notes. So they're larger than I thought they were, and I really like them. I think this is going to be a lot of fun to use. So that's an extra right there. I'll lay this right here. So that's that paper collection. And then I got Spring Awakenings. And same thing, it's got the one pack of the pre-cut tags and elements, and then you get the full sheet of the same thing to fussy cut out on your own. Beautiful papers for Easter. We've got the little lamb and the Easter eggs and the bunny and the flowers. So pretty. Now with this one, I'm thinking the flowers that I chose were also the let me see if that's the right one or not. Yes, the Sweet Farm. This is smaller flowers, and this is number 658366. So I'm going to use a combination of these on the two collections here. So these are beautiful flowers, so you might want to check those out. And that's Spring Awakenings, brand new Easter themed paper collection, exclusive to Country Craft Creations. Okay, next I received Blossoms in Springtime. Now, some of you have seen this already in your Craftology box. This is gorgeous. These pastel colors are to die for. Just look at these. In the little images, this is spring, or could be Easter also. Your Spring Awakenings, and this one I haven't decided on my project yet. Album, folio, something on that line. But this one is just beautiful. Now, I wish I had ordered the yellow flowers, but I forgot. But I did get this beautiful 49 in Market, which these pink colors I think go with this. And these were called Royal Spray Passion Pink. So you might want to check those out. So that's going to go with that. Now, on this album or project, I'm saying album, I'm not sure yet, I'm going to pull in the plaid pumpkin patch that I haven't used yet because I just haven't had time. But these plaid pastel colors look beautiful with this collection, and I'm sorry about the glare, and you might not be able to see all that. And like I said, before I do a project, I'll probably go through the papers in more detail for you. Then I also ordered some of the beautiful My Colors. If you haven't checked them out, now this is not going to show the colors very well. This is a beautiful pastel blue. If you're a member of Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations on Facebook, you can go to the files and click on a document that's been done by Tanya that lists the names of the My Colors that complement the new collections. So that's what I did. I don't have that in front of me right now, but the colors that I chose to go with these three collections, it doesn't go with all three of them, but it goes with one or the other. I chose Blue Mist, which I don't know, it's just not going to show up in this on the camera in my lights. I chose Blue Mist. I chose Sun Glow. It's a beautiful yellow. Sun Glow, Mauve, and then I also chose Fern, which is a beautiful green color in a glimmer type shimmery color paper here. So that is my design team package for the next 6 weeks. So the rest of February and going into March, I'll be making the different things. And like I said, the first things I'll be focusing on right now is the getting the video to you of the Majestic Dreams and getting that uploaded. Hold this up so it's not as glary. The Majestic Dreams wallet fold album. Then I will make the wedding guest book. And then I plan on doing the 8x8, Here Comes the Bride. And then we'll jump into these. Probably the next one after that would be the music box, graphic 45 style book box. And then I'll jump into these spring items. So thanks everyone for checking in with me. I hope that you've seen something that you like. Remember, I'll put the link down below to these products so you can easily find them in the Country Craft Creations store. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell so that you'll be notified when my next video is ready, and that's hopefully really soon. Within the next day or two, Majestic Dreams will be popping up. I've shared a couple of videos already this weekend, finished up on that I've shared with you, and I hope that you'll go watch each one or bookmark them or save them to a playlist and give me a thumbs up on those. And did I say click the bell? If I didn't, click the bell when you subscribe if you haven't already. That way you get a notification when I do my next video and every time I upload a video so that you'll be one of the first. Because sometimes I'll upload them and then I don't get around to sharing on Facebook until a few hours or even the next morning. Speaking of Facebook, if you are on Facebook and you want to be part of the Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations group, it's a private group for those of us who love to buy and use and create with Country Craft Creation products. It's a group that's private. It's for the designers to share their tutorials and projects, and for you to share your projects that you've made following the designers' tutorials and Tammy's, of course, and also projects that you have made with products that you've purchased from Country Craft Creations. And so you have to ask to join. And when you go to Scrapbookers of Country Craft Creations group on Facebook, you'll be required to answer some questions. You must answer all the questions. It doesn't work if you just say yes and agree to not sharing other links and other stores. You've got to answer the questions about how you found out about Country Craft Creations. And if you found out by watching my video, you can say, I found out from Sandy's YouTube channel. And then you also share if you're a crafter. So be sure and answer those questions so that we can approve you and get you into that group so you'll start seeing all the wonderful fun things that you can find that are Country Craft Creations. Okay, everybody, that's it for this video. I'll see you later. Bye-bye. Hold on, wait a minute. As I was putting up my stuff, I realized I missed this. I also ordered and received these metal charms. There's 4 in the package. These bees and the like dragonflies on a honeycomb. Prima charms. They're called item number 998127. I don't see a name on them, but these are gorgeous. So I'll be using them in one of the spring collections. So check those out too. It'll be listed down below. Sorry about that. Thanks everybody. Bye-bye.